The number one sauna I'd choose for most people. Are you one of those people commenting that's accusing me of gatekeeping? I'm sorry. I care that you don't get taken for a ride, but are you ready for the 1, 3, 4 punch?
You give a lot of recommendations to a ton of people. If you had to choose one default sauna that fits pretty much every situation for every person, what would it be and why would you choose that sauna?
Hi, I'm Matt. If this is your first time visiting the channel, you might want to have a look around. We've got over 1,000 videos on functional medicine, saunas, detox protocols, you name it. I've tested a bunch of saunas. You've seen the intros before. Let's get into today's video. Everyone wants to know what's the best sauna, what's the number one recommendation, what's this, what's that. People get upset with me because I hold your interests in high regard, and I won't just say, go buy this brand. Why? Because everyone on social media does that. And when they do that, they're robbing you of the knowledge to understand what's best for you for your unique needs and application. So get mad at me if you want, but it's not intentional gatekeeping. I can talk about this stuff off the top of my head. There's no reason for me to, there's no withholding a particular brand recommendation. I'm just waiting for you to give me information so that I feel good about what I am recommending to you. When I first started looking for a sauna many, many years ago, I was told by a functional medicine practitioner that I needed a very specific type. After renting sessions from a local float tank place and using that style of sauna, I recognized I wasn't actually looking for what I thought I was. The criteria that mattered in real life, because I was living in a studio apartment at the time, was completely different than what all the sales agents were sending me in DMs, emails, and messaging over the phone. Most people don't want to spend months figuring that out. I didn't either, so I did nothing. They just want to know what the best sauna is. So today, I want to break down some options of the number one sauna I'd confidently recommend to most people and explain why, but we may have to add a couple of different tiers for price segmentation and budget. So from where I'm sitting, the number one sauna is really 3 or 4 saunas, and it's based on your needs, your budget, and what you can power. So if I just tell you, go buy this thing, you may not have the right electrical without hiring an electrician to even turn it on. You'd be very upset with me. So I'm gonna give you a couple of other options in case you're in a different budget category or you have a different set of electrical. So let's start with number one. Number one sauna is the Radiant Health 2.5 and the Heavenly Heat Eco and the DIY sauna and the Life Pro if you got no money. Life Pro's on the list because there's all these product offerings from Costco, Amazon, Wayfair, Best Buy, big box stores. When Home Depot used to offer credit card points for, doing the contractor card thing, it made sense to build points and buy stuff from their little drop shipping store. The Life Pro's on the list because it's a couple $100s cheaper than those when they run a sale. There should be discount codes in the Facebook group for all of these. Not always a sale, but for $1,600 to $1,800, if you can get something that has a better heater layout than all the Amazon ones combined, that works, that we can get support for, that, is it perfect? No, but nothing in that price category is. It's on the list because if that's your budget, you're gonna get a smoking sweat and you're not gonna break the bank. And it works on a regular outlet. So similar to that is gonna be the Heavenly Heat Eco, because it's a one-person sauna, still works on a regular outlet. It's quite a bit more expensive, but it also packs more of a punch. It's made from clean materials, it's got low EMF, it's got the fit and finish, it's got the build quality, it's got all the stuff that people complain about compared to the cheaper units. It's just like one of the large 4 or 5 person, family saunas. It's got all that great stuff that everybody wants, but it's this little package you can fit literally anywhere. We put one in a closet, and it will knock your socks off. So opposite to something that you could just fit anywhere would be the Radiant Health 2.5. It's not as small as a 2-person, it's not as big as a 3-person, but it's got the power supply of a 3-person. So it's a 20 amp, 120 volt. It's big enough for a husband and spouse to use comfortably with still space in between you to put your drinks and everything else. If you're using it by yourself, you can turn sideways and put your feet up, lay down. It's got the bench heater, so even if your legs are up on the bench, you're still getting heat from the underside. Most saunas have cold zones. If you watch the FLIR footage videos, you're gonna see this instantly, and you're gonna know we try to avoid blue zones. So for every sauna that I just mentioned to you, the blue zones are minimized, and that's what we focus on: heater layout, better sweat, faster preheat, more complete sauna experience. So when you get out, your time invested inside that thing was actually worthwhile. Yeah, so the 2.5, I've tried it in multiple climates. It's one of my favorite saunas ever because it is one of the most versatile. It's comfortable. It's big enough for us to use, with a significant other. It allows you to do pretty much anything that you want to do, yet it still packs a powerful sweat. It doesn't take too long, like some saunas on the market that are big. It can take over an hour for them to heat up. You don't experience that with this. That's another reason that I love it. So last but not least, this is going to be my number one, sauna for everyone. It's not going to be what you think it is. It's going to be the DIY sauna, right? So if you have no money, you're not in a permanent space, but you still want, health benefits of heat therapy, there's great applications for doing a DIY sauna. And one of the reasons that we always keep it is so that heat therapy is accessible to anyone, anywhere. Money doesn't matter. Electrical doesn't matter. It's the most versatile sauna offering that you could ever get, because if you want a different size, you just get a different size tent. If you want it hotter, add more heat lamps. If you want it to be a different way with a different bench and change the seating position, buy a different seat, right? So it's the one thing that makes heat therapy accessible in anyone's home. It's not pretty. Not everybody wants to assemble something themselves. Not everybody likes that, there's different types of infrared and but does it make you sweat? Can you put it anywhere? Is it the most affordable thing that you could ever possibly buy that really truly works and keeps your whole body inside? Yes, yes, yes. The number one reason that I like the DIY is that if you're on the fence, if you're confused like I was, you don't know what to buy, you don't know if this is for you, you don't even know if you believe that it even works, right? This is the lowest barrier to entry, full body, head in sauna, compartment, box, enclosure, whatever you want to call it. Because you could go out and buy a little zippy tent from Amazon for $200. Some of them are questionable. Some of them work okay. I've got a few in my Amazon profile. If that's what you want, there's a few in there that people have used successfully. They don't last that long. The tent material stains. They're not low EMF. They're not non-toxic. All this stuff. But they are an option. But the DIY will give you the ability to do a complete detox protocol if you're working with a practitioner, or you're doing this or you're doing that. It'll also let you try before you buy if you're interested in a large, expensive, family sauna for your forever home. So I think it's one of the most versatile things on the market for giving somebody any option that they could ever ask for. Yeah, if you guys have further questions, go to CertifiedSaunas.com, look at the list, check out the YouTube channel, 700 videos on there, or go to the Facebook group, 40,000 people in there, a good majority of them have saunas.